Yo, guys, man, yeah, check it out, man. Happy 4th of July, guys. Yeah, man, me and Matt, man, we at the fireworks, guys. We waiting for the fireworks to be going off and everything. We got like, what, 10 minutes left, man? All right, yeah, man, yeah. So we parked here in the lot, and yo, we ready for a show, guys.
Yeah.
What's that, man?
Yeah, we want to see the show.
Yeah, we trying to see a show, guys. Yeah, man. Yo, man.
Yeah. We're here at the fireworks. We're going to see some awesome fireworks today. I want to give a shout out to my girlfriend Chrissy and her daughter Victor. And I hope they're having a great camp out tonight. And I hope they're having a great time tonight.
Yeah, man. And of course, I got to give a shout out to my girlfriend, Juliet, man. Yo, baby girl, hope you're having a great 4th of July. And, yo, I had a great time with you this morning, baby. Yo, guys, man, yeah, y'all, man. Shayman, man, yeah. I hope y'all have a great 4th of July. We're here for the fireworks, guys. We just waiting for the sky to light up.
Yeah.
Be like a giant light bright, right, man?
That's it, yeah.
Yo, man, check out my pants, man. PlayStation. Sony PlayStation, guys. Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, they're tight. Yeah, they're tight.
Y'all guys check it out, man. Somebody over there in the parking lot is setting off some stuff, man. Yeah, man, you can see it right there. See, oh, man.
Here we go, guys.
Yeah, man, y'all check them out, man.
Check them out.
Yeah, man, y'all. It's the boom boom. Oh. Yo, this for you, Juliet.
Yeah.
Wish you was here with me, Juliet. Yo, man, you wish Chrissy was here?
Oh, yeah.
And Victor too, right?
Yeah.
Whoa. That was cool. Oh.
Oh, man. Awesome.
Oh, man, look, that one falling.
Yeah.
Pyrotechnics at its best.
Ooh.
Yo, man.
Yeah.
Yo, we hotter than a firework on the 4th of July, right, baby boy?
Oh, yeah. Ooh, that went off quick. Ooh, another boogie. Ooh, that was nice.
That was like a Valentine's Day one, man.
Yeah.
Man, that one's spread for me. I like that one. That's cool.
Yeah.
It's like a big wishy-washy in the sky, man.
Yeah.
You know them dandelion seeds.
Ooh, look at that.
Wishy-washy.
Wishy-washy, huh?
Wishy-washy.
Oh.
Man, that one
Whoa,
comes
that-
big here. I bet that one didn't even fit on the screen, man.
Yeah, that was really there.
Big one. I like the trails they made. They look like a comet. They look like comets shooting across the sky.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Whoa.
Wow.
Sparkle. It sparkled like a diamond. Diamonds in the sky.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
Dandelion.
Oh. Whoa. I don't know what that was.
Whoa. That was
Whoa.
loud. Oh man.
Yeah.
What travels faster, the sound of the speed of the light or the speed of sound?
Speed of light.
Speed of light travels faster, so you see it, then you hear it.
Yeah.
That's a physics lesson for you guys. Whoa.
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 Oh man, that's the best one yet.
Is that why you see lightning and then you hear the thunder?
Mm-hmm. Whoa.
Whoa. That was loud.
Oh yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Ooh. I like them gold ones. Whoa.
24 karat magic. 24 karat magic. Whoa.
Oh, look at that.
That looked like a dimensional rift.
Yeah.
Hair in the time-space continuum. Look at him. Was that supposed to do that?
Yeah.
Because it looked like this. It looked like it wasn't supposed to do that. All the mortar shells are gonna fall and hit people.
Kelly, you okay? No, because they did it on the
Oh yeah. Oh man, look at
That was a dimensional rift.
that.
Whoa. They're low. I've never seen one like that. That is really cool. Look at that, man.
Yeah. That's a fountain they call it.
Oh, that is cool, man. I ain't never seen one like that.
Yeah, that's the fountain they call it. Yeah. That's awesome.
I never seen one like that. Wow. That was really cool, man. Yo, Chrissy, I wonder what kind of fireworks your neighbor's setting off tonight, Chrissy.
Wow.
What a shockwave. Shocking.
Whoa.
Well, he's missing the fireworks. It's taking forever. Like, that's literally so long. I don't want him missing the fireworks.
No matter what kind of songs do people play on 4th of July?
What's that?
What kind of songs do people play on 4th of July? I don't know. I don't think I ever heard of like a 4th of July song. Guys, if you know, leave it in the comments. I like
Yeah.
that kind of there.
Somebody want to go up there and have a window at the top of where my car is?
They're not ordering his eye, but what's that for? New Year's or something?
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if there's a 4th of July song.
They have a 4th of July.
A 4th of July song?
Yeah.
I wonder what it's called.
4th of July.
That's what it's called. Yeah, man. It's got to be getting close to the grand finale, right, man?
That's it, yeah. It's almost time.
Yeah, man.
Guys,
What'd you say,
finale
man?
on its way.
It's on its way. There it is, guys. Yeah, man. Maybe that won the grand finale. They're teasing us, man. Yo, man, I thought that was a grand finale,
That's
man.
what I thought too.
I think that's a grand finale.
That's really cool.
Yeah, man. Lights up the whole sky.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's the grand finale right there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
God, man. Look at that.
That is insane.
man. Woo! Yeah, man.
Yeah.
All right, man. That was it for real this time, man.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
That was it for real.
That
guys.
was it for real. Yeah, man. Peace, babies. Happy 4th of July, man, y'all. Peace, babies. Love y'all. See you in the next video. Bye, babies.